Today, I am reviewing the Dell Latitude 7450 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let me start with the build and design because this laptop feels genuinely premium the moment you pick it up. The aluminum chassis is sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to carry around all day without fatigue. It has that clean, professional Latitude look that works equally well in boardrooms or coffee shops. The hinge is solid with just the right amount of resistance, and the overall construction feels built to survive the daily grind of travel and meetings. One small but thoughtful detail I really like is the mini LED backlit keyboard. It's bright, evenly lit, and has excellent key travel and tactile feedback, which makes typing long reports, emails, or notes comfortable even during late-night work sessions. The display is an absolute highlight. This 14-inch QHD Plus touchscreen with 2560 by 1600 resolution delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with wide viewing angles thanks to the IPS panel. At 400 nits of brightness and with an anti-glare coating, it remains comfortable and readable even in brighter office environments or near windows. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space that's perfect for spreadsheets, documents, or browsing long web pages. The touch functionality is smooth and responsive, so I found myself naturally reaching out to scroll, zoom, or annotate directly on the screen during presentations or note-taking. The Comfort View Plus low blue light technology also helps reduce eye strain, which I definitely noticed after full days of staring at the screen. Performance has been excellent for a business Ultrabook. The Intel Core Ultra 7 165U with its 12 cores and boost up to 4.9 GHz, combined with 32 GB of RAM, makes multitasking feel effortless. I routinely run dozens of Chrome tabs, multiple Office applications with large files, video conferencing software, and even some light photo or video editing without any lag or hesitation. The built-in NPU for AI tasks adds a nice modern touch, helping with smarter features in Windows and Copilot. Boot times are super fast, apps launch quickly, and the 512GB SSD provides enough space for most professionals while keeping everything snappy. The laptop stays relatively quiet and cool during normal productivity work, which is exactly what you want when you're in meetings or working on your lap. Battery life is another strong point. With a 57 watt-hour battery and efficient Ultra processor, I've been getting between 10 and 13 hours of real-world use on a single charge with a mix of web browsing, document work, video calls, and occasional streaming at moderate brightness. On lighter days focused mostly on Office apps and email, it easily stretches past 12 hours. The ExpressCharge technology is genuinely useful too. A short 30 to 45-minute charge can give you a significant boost, so you're never caught short between meetings or flights. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 keep wireless connections fast and stable wherever you are. Security and privacy features on this Latitude 7450 are top tier, which is expected from Dell's business line. The 5-megapixel IR camera with a physical shutter delivers clear video for professional calls and supports Express sign-in, so the laptop automatically wakes and logs you in when you sit down. Intelligent privacy features can detect if someone is looking over your shoulder and blur the screen or send alerts. The fingerprint reader on the palm rest is fast and reliable. All of this pairs perfectly with Windows 11 Pro, giving you advanced encryption, device management tools, and enterprise-level security. Connectivity is practical and future-proof. Thunderbolt 4 ports allow high-speed docking and external displays, and the overall port selection means you can connect everything you need with minimal adapters. The laptop feels ready for modern hybrid work setups without any hassle. After using the Dell Latitude 7450 as my main machine for weeks, I can confidently say it's one of the best balanced premium business laptops available right now. It combines strong performance from the Core Ultra 7 processor, a beautiful high-resolution touchscreen, all-day battery life that actually delivers, and that rock-solid build quality and security that professionals trust. The keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, the display makes work more enjoyable, and the overall experience is smooth, quiet, and efficient. It's ideal for executives, consultants, remote workers, or anyone who needs a portable yet capable machine that can handle demanding productivity tasks without compromise.